Hello everyone and welcome back to this online class here. So how are you today? I hope you are fine. Stay safe and di rumah aja ya. Don't go anywhere. Okay. So here we are continue to study again. Um, Now we are going to learn from class book and also workbook 6C and 6D. Okay, so we're class book and workbook unit 6, but part C and part D. Okay, we have learned from part A and part B, and now we are going to learn from 6C and 6D. Okay, so take your class book, please. Can open your class book. Page 70. Okay, page 70 here. You will see this one ya. Permission. Permission is izin ya, minta izin. Okay, jadi permission. Remember that we have learned about can and can't, can and cannot, can't. Also, we have learned about must and mustn't. Okay, must and mustn't. Okay, so we will practice about that. Ya, we will practice about that. Kita mau latihan pakai can or can't, also must and mustn't. Ya, actually can or can dapat atau tidak dapat ya in bahasa, and also must is the same with have to ya. I must go, saya harus pergi. I have to go, saya harus pergi ya. It's pretty similar. So also if the negative one, mustn't ya, mustn't, tidak boleh ya, tidak boleh. Okay, when you open page 70 here, you will see this following, this page and this conversation. So here you can read this conversation, but I want you to focus on the sentence that I give color here, that I colored here yellow. Yeah, so look here. Can I ask a question, sir? Ini minta izin ya. Can I ask a question? Bisakah saya bertanya? Ya, ini minta izin. Jadi can sama can't bisa dipakai untuk minta izin ya, to ask permission. Can I go to the toilet? Can I go outside? Can I take my phone? Ya, itu ya. And the answer, if yes, you can say yes, of course, Judy. Yes, of course you can. Yes, you can. Yeah, simple. Okay. And also we have question like this. Do we have to? Look, why we use do? Because we, I, you, they, we. Remember, you use do. But she, he, it. Kalau she, it, subjeknya she, it, you use does. Yeah. And have to here, have to, it's similar with must. Yeah, it's similar with must. Jadi, do we have to? Apakah kita harus memberikan? Ini hand in our project on Wednesday. Hand in ini memberikan ya. Do we have to? Apakah kita harus memberikan project pada hari Wednesday, pada hari Rabu? If yes, you can answer yes you do. Nah, ini balik lagi you do ya. Because pertanyaannya juga do ya, do. Jawabannya yes you do. Kalau no, if no, you can say no you don't. Ya. No you don't. Artinya kamu tidak harus. Okay? Also we have here again, can we hand them in on Friday? Bisakah kita memberikan tugas-tugas project on Friday? If no, look, if no, I'm afraid you can't ya. No, I'm afraid you can't. Jadi artinya kayaknya nggak bisa deh gitu ya. You can't ya, you can't ya. Okay, so look here exercise 2 ya. Ini juga contoh ya, contoh can Can I use my own paper in the printer? If yes, you can say yes, of course. Or if no, you can say no, you can't. Actually, the answer you can find the answer from here, yeah, from the rules, yeah. Okay. Can I go on internet? Yeah. And then if yes, you can say yes, of course. If no, you can say no, you can't. Okay, something like that, yeah. And then that's it for page 70. We move on to page 71. Look here, yeah, page 71. It's just example of expression here, useful expression. It means kata-kata yang ini ya, yang bisa digunakan ya, bermanfaat untuk unit 6C ini. For example here, can I ask a question? Ya, can't email it. Do we have to? Apakah kita harus? Ya, do we have to go? Do we have to study? Do we have to watch? Ya. If yes, yes, of course. If no, you can say no, you can't, or you can add, bisa tambahin no, I'm afraid you can't. Itu juga sama aja artinya ya. Kayak oh kayaknya nggak bisa. Ini lebih halus ya. No, I'm afraid you can't. Oke. Okay. Nah, kalau pertanyaannya do we have to, biasanya jawabannya harusnya jawabannya yes you do ya. Yes you do. Do sama do. Ya. If no, no you don't. You can bla bla bla, but you must. Nah, kamu bisa tapi you must. Nah, kamu harus. Contoh, you can go playing with your friends, but you must go back home before 7 o'clock. Kamu bisa pergi keluar main sama temanmu, tapi kamu harus pulang sebelum jam 7. Like that ya. So you need to remember can and can't, and must and mustn't. Okay. So that's it yeah, from the class book. And then we move to workbook now. Yeah, we move to workbook. Here, workbook 6C, permission, you can see from the page 66. Yeah, 66 here. Okay, it's quite simple. Yeah, you just match, jodohkan, match question 1 until 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with A until D. Yeah, you can match. Remember, look, if the question do like this, do I have to? Of course, the answer is yes, you do here because do and do, yeah. It's quite simple for number 4. And the rest, sisanya 1, 2, 3 bisa pilih from B, C atau D. Okay? Okay. Now, if you don't know the meaning, you can see from dictionary. Ya, jangan malas buka kamus ya, harus sering-sering buka kamus biar paham, biar bisa ingat. Ya. Also, exercise 2 here, you just choose from the box. Ya, choose the answer from the box here. Can't ada 2 kali. Can 4 kali ya. Can if you need example, butuh contoh, you can see from the class book ya. Bisa lihat lagi di sini example ya. Nah, di sini ya, example. Okay. Now exercise 3, it's pretty similar, sama mirip juga. 3 exercise 3 here, you can choose the answer from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ya. Okay, you can choose the answer from there. Also exercise 4, look at the library rules. Nah ini ya, library rules and complete the dialogue with suitable expression from exercise 1, 2, and 3. Jadi lihat di sini ada rules untuk penggunaan computer room ya di perpustakaan. Oke. Nah, baru di sini boleh pakai jawaban-jawaban yang dari atas, dari exercise 1, 2, atau 3 ya. Tergantung rules-nya. Oke. Tergantung rules-nya. Ya. So So that's it for page 66. Quite easy. And then we can move on to page 67 here. Yeah, we have exercise 5. It's quite simple. You just put the answer. You can choose the answer from the box here. Yeah, but you start with can I, because if you want to ask for permission, ya permission, minta izin, you need to start with can. Ya, can I. Malah lebih halus itu may I. Tapi kita sekarang lagi belajar can I dulu ya. Can I, bolehkah saya, dapatkah saya. Oke. Jadi contoh, it's my birthday next week. Can I have a party? Bolehkah saya mengadakan pesta ulang tahun ya, gitu. Contoh nomor 1, I need to buy a sandwich. I need to buy, saya perlu membeli sandwich. Kira-kira yang cocok yang mana? Kayaknya ini nih ya. Borrow some money. Can I borrow some money? Bisakah saya pinjam uang gitu ya, mau beli sandwich tapi harus pinjam uang gitu. Ya, can I borrow some money gitu ya. Contoh ini bonus lagi, I'm thirsty. Nah contohnya kira-kira yang mana nih jawabannya? Can I have some more lemonade? Lemonade ini minuman ini ya, apa, lemon ya. Tinggal ditambahin can I karena can I itu permission, nanya untuk izin, mau permisi lah istilahnya ya, gampang ya. Oke. Exercise 6 ini di skip, nggak usah. Also exercise 7 juga nggak usah ya. Langsung aja nih exercise 8 sama 9 ini saling berkaitan. Ini suruh baca, you read first. And then exercise 9 ini bikin sebuah paragraf, satu paragraf about what, mengenai apa. Nah, ini you choose the topic about your favorite animal or your favorite place, tempat favorite, or your sports hero, atlet yang kamu gemari, ya. Your sports hero. Nah, contoh di sini ya. Biar lebih gampang, jawab aja pertanyaan ini, and then you can use linking words. Nah, linking words ini nih ya. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita sebut kata sambung. Lah, dan, karena, tapi, lalu, ketika, gitu ya. Sambungin, connecting two sentences, ya. Connecting two sentences. Jadi saling connect dua kalimat. What is your favorite animal, place, or sports hero? Now you can answer. For example, you have got favorite animal. For example, my favorite animal is dog. Yeah. So I love dog. For example, yeah, I love dog, especially the Samoyed breed. Jadi ada dog, ada yang apa? Jenisnya itu ada di jenis Samoyed. Ya. Nah itu lucu. Jadi I love a dog, especially Samoyed breed. They are cute karena mereka lucu ya. They look like a cloud actually ya. Look like a cloud. Kalau you type Samoyed di Google itu mereka bentuknya itu kayak awan ya, lucu. Nah, for example like that ya. Your favorite animal. And then why? Nah, ini alasannya kenapa ya. Sambungin because, sambungin ya. Ini sambungin lagi nanti. When was the last time you went there or saw him or her? Kapan terakhir kali kamu melihat ya? Atau berinteraksi lah ya. Atau lihat-lihat di Instagram boleh ya. Nanti sambungin lagi ya. Atau nanti sambungin lagi. What happened? Ceritanya diceritain ya. Contohnya di example you can see from here my favorite restaurant here, or you can see from class book. You see from class book here my favorite sport. Boleh nih kayak gini contohnya. I really love cycling. So I go out every day and sometimes twice a day. Nah ini ya. Boleh bikin kayak gini, satu paragraf aja ya. Satu paragraf kayak gini ya. Oke. Nulisnya di mana, Sir? Nah, nulisnya di buku boleh ya, di sini boleh nih kalau cukup ya. Ya, di sini boleh. Ya, you can write here ya. Just a really simple paragraph ya, simple paragraph. Oke. Dah, ya itu aja ya. Jadi, tugasnya adalah exercise 1 until exercise 5 here, and then continue to exercise 9. You can skip 6, 7, 8, ini di skip boleh ya. Oke. 5, 1 until 5 plus exercise 9. Okay, that's from 6C. That's from 6C. And also we've got 6D here. It's quite simple. 6D only the sign ya. Sign also expression. Dan ini adalah pilihan ganda ya. Matching. Yeah, look. But don't forget there is one extra answer ya. One extra answer. For example here. Now photography. Nah, di mana kira-kira yang cocoknya ya? Dogs must be on a lead. Harus ada penjaganya gitu. Kira-kira di mana? Ya, you choose the place. Danger, keep your windows closed. Nah, kira-kira di mana? Gitu ya. Sama ini. Exercise 1, 2, 3. Nah, ini ya. There is one extra answer always ya here. Read carefully the instruction. Okay. Also exercise here 4 ya. I think this is exercise 4. Complete the dialogue with the responses. There is one extra response. Ada lagi jawaban ekstranya ini 1, 2, ini ada 3 kan. Hati-hati ya. There is one extra response. Ya. Pilih jawabannya A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay. That's from page 68. Actually that's it. Yeah, that's it for the task. I hope that even you need to stay at home for right now, but you can spend some time to study English, yeah, because this is important. Yeah, you can take a picture of each of your work. You can send your work here, take picture, and then you can send to Miss Cinta or Miss Lucy, and after that I will check it. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, you can put the question on the comment. So bye bye.